Bentar ya, Miss pasang dulu. Okay, before we start our lesson today, let me introduce myself. My name is Ariska Putri Wijaya, and you can call me Miss Ariska.
Halo, Miss Ariska.
I'm your English teacher for this academic year. So before we start, let me check your attendance first.
Oke, Miss.
Ada yang punya pulpen?
Ada.
Ujian dulu ya. Alfitri Ramdhani Suciati,
Present, Miss.
Sri Ramadhani,
Present, Miss.
Andi Wisma Wardani,
Present, Miss.
Andi Sulastri Agus Hendri,
Present, Miss.
Iswatul Hasanah Hafif.
Absent, Miss.
Oke. So today our material is about descriptive text.
Oke, Miss.
Ada yang tahu apa itu descriptive text sebelumnya?
Teks yang menjelaskan sesuatu, Miss.
Oke, good.
Yes, Miss.
Nah, sebelum masuk pada pembelajaran descriptive text, ada baiknya kita mengetahui tentang learning objectives yang akan dicapai dalam pembelajaran descriptive text ini. Yang pertama ada students will understand the definition of descriptive text and identify its purpose and written communication. Jadi, siswa diharapkan dapat mengerti tentang definisi definisi descriptive text dan dapat mengidentifikasi tujuannya dalam menulis komunikasi. Student is students will identify the structure of descriptive text. Jadi siswa diharapkan dapat mengidentifikasi struktur yang ada pada descriptive text. The third is students will analyze and identify the language features commonly used in descriptive text. Jadi siswa diharapkan dapat menganalisis dan mengidentifikasi language feature yang ada pada descriptive text. Selanjutnya ada students will learn new vocabulary through language features present and descriptive text. Jadi siswa diharapkan mampu mendapatkan vocabulary baru dalam menganalisis language features yang ada pada descriptive text. Dan the last one is students will write a descriptive text about a city they want to visit. Jadi siswa diharapkan juga dapat menulis descriptive text tentang sekolah tentang kota yang ingin mereka datangi. Selanjutnya ada definisi tentang descriptive text, yaitu descriptive text is a type of text that describe the characteristic of a particular object, place, or person. Jadi seperti yang dikatakan siapa tadi? Henry, bahwa descriptive text itu adalah suatu teks yang mendeskripsikan tentang apa?
Tentang sesuatu.
Ya, betul. Jadi descriptive text itu menggambarkan tentang sesuatu seperti objek, tempat, ataupun seseorang. Seseorang seperti menggambarkan tentang Andrianis Mardani, Andi Sulastri Agustendri, ataupun tempatnya seperti menggambarkan Toraja, Bantaeng, dan lain sebagainya. Selanjutnya ada tujuan dari descriptive text, yaitu the purpose of descriptive text is to provide detailed and vivid information about a specific object, place, or person. Ada yang tahu artinya? Nanti Yunisma?
Itu untuk menjelaskan informasi yang spesifik tentang objek, tempat, ataupun seseorang.
Oke, give applause for Yunisma. Jadi betul ya, tujuan dari descriptive text itu adalah memberikan informasi secara detail tentang suatu objek, tempat, ataupun seseorang. Jadi tidak mungkin kita hanya menulis Andrianisma Wardani is beautiful moment, tapi tidak dituliskan Andrianisma ini lahir di mana, tanggal berapa, dan bekerja di mana. Selanjutnya adalah the structure of descriptive text consists of two main parts. The first one is identification, di mana identifikasi ini memberikan informasi umum tentang apa yang akan dideskripsikan. Seperti ingin mendeskripsikan suatu tempat. Tempatnya itu Gunung Rinjani. Di sini itu kira-kira seperti Gunung Rinjani adalah salah satu gunung tertinggi di Indonesia yang masuk ke dalam Seven Summit. Gunung Rinjani terletak di Kepulauan Lombok. Nah, the second one is description. Nah, pada description ini menggambarkan tentang secara rinci tentang Gunung Rinjani. Contohnya seperti kapan waktu yang bagus untuk menaiki gunung tersebut. Nah, move to the next slide is this example two members of descriptive text. Ada yang ingin membacanya?
Ini
Oke, silakan Tentri.
identification, lembah Baliem, also known as the Baliem Valley, is a captivating destination next in the highlands of Papua New Guinea. This picturesque valley is situated in the base of the Jaya mountain range and is inhabited by the indigenous Dana people who have thrived in the region for centuries.
Okay.
Next, please.
Next
natural beauty characterized by verdant hills, fertile valleys, and cascading waterfalls. The valley floor is adorned with emerald green rice with emerald green rice terraces meticulously cultivated by the Dani using traditional farming techniques. As Smith drives lazily over the rough peaks, the follower takes on the ethereal quality, transporting visitors to a realm untouched by time.
Okay, good. Next we move to the next slide. This is the language features of descriptive text. The first one is specific participant. As a certain object is not common and unique, only one. For example, Bandengan Beach, my house, Borobudur Temple, and Uncle Jim. Second one is the use of the adjective to clarify the noun. For example, a beautiful beach, handsome man, the famous place in Jepara, and etc. The third one is the use of simple present tense. The sentence pattern used is simple present because it tells the fact of the object and if the object described dari descriptive text itu menggunakan simple present tense. The last one is action verbs that show an activity. For example, run, sleep, walk, and come, and etc. Okay, I'm Yusma. Can you read the descriptive text?
Okay, Miss. Can I stand up?
Yes, can.
Okay, hi friends. Hi. Okay, now I wanna read a descriptive text about Sasuke Uchiha. Sasuke Uchiha, a character from the popular anime and manga series Naruto, is a highly skilled and enigmatic ninja born into the prestigious Uchiha clan. Sasuke is recognized for his exceptional talent and his strong desire for vengeance. Sasuke possesses striking, onyx-colored eyes that exude an intense and brooding aura. His sleek, obsidian hair cascades down his back, complementing his pale complexion, clad in the standard attire of a ninja. Sasuke is often seen in his formidable blue navy outfit, adorned with his clan's crest, symbolizing his heritage and pride. His demeanor is often characterized by a stoic and aloof disposition, concealing the turmoil and complexity that lie within. Despite his reserved nature, Sasuke's action and presence command attention, evoking an air of mystery and intrigue among those around him. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, good. So let's identify the structure together. So yang mana yang menggambarkan identifikasi pada descriptive text ini? Ayo, ada langsung jawab.
Maybe the first paragraph.
Okay, good and ready. Okay, where is the description of this text?
Me.
Okay, and you
The second paragraph is
and
the last.
okay, good, you miss. So to the next slide. This is the language features about Sasuke Uchiha. First one is specific participant. The descriptive text focus especially on Sasuke Uchiha, a character from the Naruto series. Second one is use of adjectives. Adjectives such as striking, onyx-color, intense, sleek, and formidable. Pale and aloof are used to provide vivid descriptions of Sasuke appearance tense, and demeanor. The third one is use of simple present tense. The use of simple present tense helps in establishing the consistent pattern of suspects characteristics. So the last one is action verbs. Action verbs such as possesses, action, cascades, and other create a dynamic and vivid the visions of suspects, enhancing the reader's understanding of physical attributes and presence. So move to the next slide. So today's your task is write a descriptive text about a city you would like to visit and identify its structure and language features. You have 20 minutes starting from now. Itu saya tinggal sebentar dulu ke toilet ya, sambil menunggu kalian menulis tentang descriptive text.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, have you finished, guys?
Yes, Miss. But Miss, I want to ask, the structure, the language picture-nya itu yang 4, Miss.
Ya.
Yang spesifik partisipan itu, Miss.
Ya.
Benar, Miss.
Okay, good entry. Okay, now you have 5 minutes to berlatih mengucapkan apa yang sudah kalian tulis karena nanti sebentar kalian akan naik membacakannya. Oke?
Oke, Miss.
Oke, silakan latihan dulu ya. Dengan gambar Paris, Venice,
Dan
New London.
I like Eiffel Tower, Miss.
Wow. Oke guys, have done. Jadi siapa yang mau naik duluan? Oke, silahkan Bu Sulastri. Dari 15 keluarkan Okay, I read descriptive text about Paris, France. But the place. Okay, you can try. The first structure identification. Paris, often referred to as the city of light, is the capital of France and a global center of art, fashion, and culture. With its iconic landmarks, romantic ambience, and culinary delights, Paris has enhanced visitors for centuries. The second structure is description. Immerse yourself in the charm of Paris by strolling along the elegant boulevards lined with historic architecture, of savoring a croissant at a quiet Saint-Malo cafe. Explore world-renowned museums like the Louvre and Musée d'Orsay.
which house priceless works of art. In French position at Michelin starred restaurants or browse the bustling markets for fresh products and gourmet treats from the majestic Apple Tower to the picturesque Seine River. Paris offers as a feast for senses at every turn. Terus the language feature-nya itu the first one specific participant is Paris, and then the second is use of adjective is bustling, regal, electric, dynamic, and world class, and the third simple present tense and Paris tense offers activities, and the last one action verbs dan explore, offer, and captivate.
Oke, thank you Miss Lesti. Oke, selanjutnya Anissa and Isra.
Okay, thank you, Miss. I want to read my descriptive text about London United Kingdom. London, the bustling capital of the United Kingdom, stands as a symbol of history, diversity, and innovation. From the regal splendor of Buckingham Palace to the electric energy of Camden Town, London is a melting pot of cultures and ideas. Explore London's rich tapestry of attractions, from world-class museums like the British Museum to the dynamic street markets of Portobello Road. The city's iconic landmarks, including the Tower of London and Westminster Abbey, offer a glimpse into its storied past. Whether cruising along the Thames River or catching a West End show, London never fails to captivate visitors with its endless possibilities and enduring charms. Specific participants need to Paris is objectively iconic, romantic, charming, elegant, and world-renowned. A simple present tense itu ada dari Paris is, enchant, indulge, explore, offer, etc. Action verbnya itu ada is, enchant, indulge, explore, and offer.
Oke, thank you Nisma. Okay, so wait a minute. Nah, sebelum pelajaran hari ini kita akhiri, ada baiknya kita mereview kembali apa yang kita pelajari dari tadi. Ada yang bisa menggambarkan tentang descriptive text menurut pemahaman dirinya sendiri, bagaimana?
Nih,
Oke, ini Bisma.
can I speak in bahasa Miss?
Oke.
Oke, jadi yang saya tangkap tadi dari penjelasan yang di situ, descriptive text itu merupakan teks yang memberikan penjelasan misalnya tentang tempat, seseorang, ataupun specific noun yang memiliki beberapa generic structure, dengan identification dan description.
Oke, good news. How about Miss Lesti? Apa yang kamu dapat?
Okay, Miss. About the definition of that descriptive text itu menjelaskan sesuatu secara detail mengenai tempat, orang ataupun sesuatu benda. Terus ada structure-nya, yaitu yang pertama ada identification, kedua ada description. Terus language feature-nya itu ada specific participants, use of adjectives, simple present tense, and action verb.
Okay, good. Give applause for lessons day. Okay.
Yeah, shutting down.
Nah, ini bukan yang diselesai ya. Terima
Miss.
kasih ya.
Sama, Miss.
Okay, that's all for our lesson today and see you next meeting.
Yes, Miss.
Thank